Good morning. It's a beautiful day in Port Elizabeth today on Tuesday the 23rd of October. Now today it's a nice day for work riders at the Val, and what I've chosen for my CC today is I'll show you now. It's the first time that I've actually heard about this work rider, but the horse is Queen Rachel in race 2, number 11. I don't know the jockey, but what I do know is that last Thursday I think it was, that Queen Rachel ran a very good second, and over 1200 metres. It was leading till about 100 metres out when it got overtaken, trying hard, and today it's on the fast 1000 metres. So if you can produce the same as last Thursday with our jockey, or hopefully the jockey knows the horse and from the same stable, we don't know, then we're going to get a nice 5-1 winner again to add to our last two winners. It was a nice 14-1 winner yesterday with Royal Applause. Okay, I'll chat to you later. Bye.